Hello traders, as always, our midweek breakdown. So you see, I always have left and right. Left is my lower time frame, right is my higher time frame. So for midweek and any other thing else, I always analyze from my rights to see what we expect and where the market is going. So when it comes to, I said with GJ today, GJ I don't expect anything big in terms of changes, since our areas of all interest are still marked up. You see our higher time frame is marked up very clearly, and our daily OB still untapped, though we are coming through, though we hit this and later spiked through it. Even this daily OB is still waiting, but as you see, price was a little bit ranging. Now started to do uptrend but we shall confirm when we come. We will test here as we are within the EMA, then we continue up. After testing the EMA and we make another lower high, then we shall confirm that it is a continuation. Now we are in the clear uptrend, but for the previous days we have been doing a range. To the markets were ranging. US30 we tapped our daily OB, but it's as if we are spiking through it to continue and grab those highs, because previously all the lows were filled until almost the previous days, which was around April 24th, 2024. April April was almost filled up until April. So now we shall, if we spike through and we don't have any area of retest below, the unexpected area after this OB has been spiked through will be this OB slightly below, but this is valid until we complete a spike through it, because we might even be testing this size and then to drop. But the nearby OB is this. If we test this, there is nothing to fill down, so we shall just retest and always spike through and we look for new conferences. BTC on our daily time frame. Yeah, you see we have this OB here below, and we are in an uptrend and we feel this OB in this week. The previous week we have filled this OB, and so when I got 4 hour, so 4 hour normally changes based on what you want to do. So as you can see on 4 hour, yeah, almost every 4 hour down was filled. So we are in an uptrend, and you can see our EMA shows that we are in an uptrend. So we go back to daily. I use it for all of my conferences for top-down analysis. So another pair is gold. Yeah, gold, this OB not tapped, and our OBs are all still valid. So we have been ranging between the 4 hour. You see 4 hour it was ranging. So you see 4 hour we tested this OB and almost filled it, so we went up. We took this trade. Those who still recall can confirm. Then also have this OB, it was filled. This 4 hour OB, it was filled, and then we dropped. See, it was filled and then we dropped, and this one was also filled and then we spiked through up. So but I didn't take this, since it made some spikes up, and I waited for conferences from up. They didn't happen. I just took this trade. So even this one is filled, this one is filled now. So we have a clear a clear confirmation that we might do uptrend, we shall uptrend, have an uptrend until here, or if we break through, then we shall be going correct the overtime conferences. Another pair, let it be GU with its sister EU. So you see, GU we are seeing our daily retesting and dropping, testing and dropping, retesting, but all OBs have been filled so well. So these indicators are on my left. Our time frame indicators are rated for conferences, but some tapped and some didn't tap. Yeah, sorry about that. So we might end up coming here below. We might end up coming there basing on how it is performing. So if we drop to 4 hour, you see it has a little bit been ranging, but for all 4 hour OBs were filled. So we had some good trades on GU, you all recall very well. And now my last pair is EU. You see our daily, we tapped it. Sorry that I made it. Don't be confused by these indicators, they are on my left, but since I've divided the screen, they appear on two sides. They appear on the left and right. Those indicators are here. Yeah, for my lower time frame, those are my areas rated for conferences. And when you go to 4 hour, yeah, you see our, but 4 hour we have an OB below. Sorry about that. We have an OB below, those who can see around this indicator, so which means we might drop after testing this OB and filling the other gap, that we might drop, come pick it through, and then we continue up. So that's all about it. Let's catch up in our daily analysis tomorrow. Thank you.